Limited was established way back in 1991 with the sole aim of designing and supplying critical microwave components which become part of wireless communication systems, mainly catering to the needs of defense and space segments. Though initially we concentrated in telecommunications business, but of late we are focusing in defense and space segments. As on today, the company has about 1,000 people, and out of which around 30% are in core R&D. Coming to the growth in the last 4 years, the main factors that gave us the growth in the last 4 years are number one, the indigenous systems like radars, Akash missile and electronic warfare systems. The second that is offset opportunity that has come up because of the DPP policy of Government of India. Going forward, the growth drivers will be graduation into from subsystems to systems, both in radars and in electronic warfare systems, for which we have established R&D facilities at Bangalore and Hyderabad, and exploitation of semiconductor device business in the world market with the technology that was developed in the last 10-15 years within the company, and exploration of systems supplied to our services with as joint venture partner with world renowned system suppliers.